1966 Chevelle SS Super Sport Convertible, 4-speed. New project, just acquired this year, 2022. They sandblasted it a little bit, doing a little bit of floor repair. So I already replaced that piece in there. Replace a little bit of area back here, and as soon as I blast over there, I do a little bit repair, and then I'm going to change in this piece over here, and I got another factory floor pan to replace that cutout for they butchered up the 4-speed opening. So you can see it's all original paint on the body, no rust elsewhere. Rockers. I just lifted up and put some spacers between the body and the frame. That way I could finish grinding all the patch repairs. I see it. Super nice. A couple little dents to repair. But overall, main part is a super rust-free trunk, quarters. That's the main part. Like I say, original deck lid. A couple small dents, but nothing major. Nothing I can't fix. I think somebody at one time blasted it and primed it undercarriage while it was on the body. So, it's really solid. It's got a 375 horse, 396 for it. I'm gonna tie the door. Guy said it came with factory disc brakes, but 66 don't come with factory disc brakes. Not my book. But so it's probably all 67 stuff. But it's all GM booster, disc brakes, and everything. I have all the parts for that.